Yung thoughts, no? Ay, siyempre, kung paminsan-minsan naman baka papasokan tayo ng conflict pride. Where does the pride come from? A lot of the things that na-accomplish, we didn't think we'd be able to do. And baka parang gasgas na plakat, sirang plaka na. No? For instance, I think the clearest example are the schools. As in 2011, for instance, merong budget na 8,300 classrooms na capacity ng budget ng NEPA. And by the time of the SONA, there were only 18 made. No, parang maski nandyan yung pera, parang napakahirap gawin yung dapat gawin. At the same time, we were conscious of the fact that they were already quoting very large numbers of school buildings as a lot. Eventually, that number became 66,800. And as you know, we finished that last year. So yung impossible has been accomplished, and we have had the wherewithal now to support the K-12 program, which will need more classrooms, teachers, desks, etc. It's not an impossibility, rather it's really a question of when will we finish all of these necessary facilities for the extended K-12 program. The report handed to me was, I think by next year we will be ready. Even though in 2016 talaga magiging need for this, by 2015 ready na yung lahat ng facilities. I've managed to go on the triplex up to Carmen Rosales. I understand it's open or will be open this year up to Urdaneta. Before I step down, there will be one connector for the NLEX and SLEX operational already. A lot of the airports, like Lalindigan for instance, will have pati night playing capabilities. And actually, haba ng listahan ng what will happen. Siguro, the thoughts are, nag-umpisa tayo, mamanahin natin lahat ng problema, wala yung wherewithal, wala yung kakayahan para ayusin itong mga problema ito. At kung babalikan natin nakalipas sa 4 taon, medyo marami-rami na rin yata tayong na-accomplish na hindi natin akalain magawa. So, and can we just, kaya naman sa airports, kung dito tayo sa kanila, na-reverse nila. Imagine, no? Even C-130 na lang. Magkano ba yung C-130? Again, it's several hundred millions of dollars to purchase one. Do we need it? Yes. We're visited by so many typhoons and other natural calamities every year. Yung use yata nito is over $100 million. Okay. Now we have 3 operational. We're negotiating for 2 more. And we're buying other lift-capable aircraft for the medium. I think it's already in the pipeline. Narinig mo naman kanina yung listahan ng aircraft either refurbished or brand new that we're getting. So wala ka nung essential na C-130. Paano tayo dito sa essential rin pero lower priority na fighters? And we will be getting the first 2 by next year.
So you're confident that you are leaving a good legacy by 2016?
If there is a singular legacy tayo leaving, sana masanay ang kababayan natin na ito kaya ng gobyerno pinapatakbo matino. And kung sino man ang susunod po sa atin, siyempre, ito yung platform, ito yung base kung sa pag-uwi.